Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys I'm going to be showing you how to create a new GitHub branch. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and be opening up the official GitHub website right here at github.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. So first things first, in the main page, we need to log in. In the upper right corner, you're going to have the login button. If you do not already have an account, you can just click the sign up button. That's going to enable you to create your account. And once we have logged in, now we can get started. So this is going to be our home page right here, where you can take a look at all the repositories we have. We can take a look at our home info and so on. And now we can get started. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we need to do to create a new branch. Basically guys, branches are going to enable us to fix any code, test it out, fix any bugs we might have, development issues and so on by testing it out and not by pushing the update to our repository. So how can we open it up? We'll open up any repository that you have that you want to create a branch for. Once you have opened up your repository right here, as you can see, it's going to look like this, where you can take a look at all your repository info, code and so on. And immediately we can take a look at this option right here that says branch. This is going to enable us to click on the branches right here, take a look at how many branches we have, and we can create a new branch. So basically, to create a new branch, just in this new branch page that opens up, you want to click on new branch option right here in the upper right corner, and by clicking new branch, it's going to enable us to create a new branch. Give it a name that you want to use a source code and so on. And once you're satisfied, click create, and it's going to create your new branch and appear it right here that you can then manage. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.